just did that. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. You know, I was gonna do my hair and makeup because I look like an egg. I look like a zitty egg.
It's not a good look. It's never a good look.
But in today's video, I decided to do that because I didn't feel like it. I got a haircut though. Like, I'm just gonna put a hat on because we don't have time for hygiene. So I noticed a trend that's going around YouTube right now is a back to school clothing haul, which I think is a good video for me because I have clothes on my body. But with these tips, you can be sad going back to school in style. But before we get into today's video, guys, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. If this is your first time seeing my egg face, then make sure you guys click that subscribe button and click that bell so you know whenever I post. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. So over the summer and over the last year, I have built up a collection of clothing that is my aesthetic. Basically what my style is kind of like retro vintage. And the first things that I'm gonna be showing you guys, this is more of a summer item, and these are my sunglasses. I actually just posted a picture with these cute little guys on my Instagram. Make sure you guys follow that. They're just really cute and I like them. And these sunglasses were from Urban Outfitters. I spent too much money on them. Oh my god, my cat. Don't you just love having cuddly animals?
Hello.
So my next pair of sunglasses are from the store Ardeen. And I got a lot of compliments on them. And these guys were only $9, you know, if you're looking for a more cheap, affordable option. They're cute. And that's literally all the sunglasses I have because I don't really leave the house that often, so I don't need that many of those. Moving on to our short-sleeved items, something that I've been really loving for a long time now. It's really bringing back my emo self. Is retro kind of band t-shirts. I'm pretty sure I got this from a thrift store, could be wrong, but it is just, I don't know what else to say about it, it's just freaking adorable. Any cute band t-shirt with some like skinny black jeans I dabble with. And moving on to our next shirt that I really like is the shirt that I thrifted. It is Tommy Hilfiger because, you know, that apparently is trending right now. I found this, it was literally like $4 at a thrift store, so I very much so enjoyed it. Okay, and now moving on to our next shirt. This one is probably one of my absolute favorites. I got this one from Urban Outfitters. It was lots of money, but it is just so cute, so oversized. It's just like a very good quality material. And as you can tell by these trends, I've been really into stripes right now. This next striped shirt, very basic. I got this one from H&M for $9.99. It's just really cute. I don't know what else to say. Just basic black and white stripes. And this next shirt that I am showing you is, it makes you look like a dad that goes bowling like every Sunday night. So cute. Take a shot whenever I say so cute in this video. Just kidding, you'll die. Okay, this one is also from Urban Outfitters. And this next shirt, this one is from Forever 21. It says Polaroid on it, and it's gay. I love taking pictures, and if you guys don't know this, I am a gay male. And this shirt, I actually already wore it this week, and there's kind of a sauce stain on the front. But I still wanted to show you it, even though it smells like sweat, and I want to die. This is a shirt that I got from a thrift store. It says Hard Rock Cafe from Belize, Central America. You know, I've never left my house, so I don't know where that is. Hard Rock. And of course, I have a lot of other graphic other t-shirts that I really love. This one, I like the Coca-Cola one. I got it from a thrift store. My sister and I have a matching one. The other one is this basic Nirvana t-shirt. This one is my Metallica t-shirt. You know, I don't listen to any of these except for the 1975. I have a 1975 shirt. Maddie Healy Can Impregnate Me Now. And then this shirt I got when I was in Florida. You can't really see it, but it's from Vans. Yeah, my leg is hurting. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, also in the fall or winter seasons when it's a little bit colder, I have another hoarding addiction to oversized sweatshirts and flannels. I got this flannel from Goodwill. It's from Eddie Bauer, kind of like a suede corduroy. Does that even exist? I don't even know. Daddy Bauer, thank you. This next shirt I thrifted is one that I honestly got inspired by Emma Chamberlain. I see that she wears a lot of collared shirts. This is from Tommy Hilfiger.
Course.
Yeah, it's supposed to be for like middle-aged people who enjoy golfing. I don't, but I think it's still cute. My next item is something I bought when I was in Florida. Adidas hoodie. Also very large, but I love the color. I never owned a color like this. It's like a coral. You know a fun fact about coral? Little story time, friends. When I was in high school, I don't know if you guys know the app website called BuzzFeed. They used to have a quiz that's like, what's your animal? Like, what's your spiritual animal? And everyone was doing it in grade 12, so I was like, I'm gonna do it. Everyone was getting things like, I'm an eagle, I'm like an orca, or I'm like a lion or a cheetah. And you know, my results come in, and guess what I got?
Coral.
Coral. Pretty accurate, but like, Anyway, this next shirt that I got from Urban Outfitters, it is very, like that could be a flag, you know, that goes like...
When the cars go new.
Okay, so the next two things, call me basic, because I am. Two Champion sweaters. Very big, very thick, like me, I'm a thick bead. Yeah, the first one is like a turquoise kind of, and the other one also is just a nice, ginormous gray. You know what I'm saying? Just a couple other sweaters I got. This one is something that I got from Goodwill. It was only, $4. It is Tommy Hilfiger. It has like that stripe and it's really cute and it was really cheap. Moving on to our next couple items, I want to show you guys pants because we need to cover up
our penises.
These pants I got from Urban Outfitters. Kind of an impulse buy, kind of. Should I put these on for you guys? We're gonna put them on for you guys. They kind of got like a stripe. Very much so recommend them. That's what they look like. And now literally to the opposite end of the spectrum, I got very skinny. These ones have rips in the leg. Skinny black jeans. These ones are from H&M. These ones are from Hot Topic. They're called the Stinger jeans. Kind of intimidating name. Stinger. I don't know, I don't understand. I wore these to Valley Village with my friends because, you know, always thrifting. And my friends made me put on some heels. Actually, they didn't make me, I was totally voluntarily. I looked sickening. These jeans were so skinny, my lower half of my body looked like a biological female and I was into it, fam. So moving on from the pants, I decided to make my own category because I can because it's my own channel. This category is called Ugly Floral Shirts because that's another big part of my personality. Number uno. This one's just like a polo shirt. Hideous, but so freaking cute. Numero dos. Floral, like more of like a dressier kind of shirt. Numero
three.
This one is once again kind of another dressier shirt. Hideous, but so cute. The next category of clothes that I really want to show you guys is my shoes. I have a couple of shoe items. And starting with my main
bitches.
These ones are very cute. These are the checkered little Vans. They have been with me since last summer and I highly recommend you guys get these. They are really cute with some skinny jeans. Look at me being like a fashion tuber. My second pair, which are kind of covered in cat hair right now, are just these classic black Vans. These ones, story time, these ones were my dad. They are Converse. I love them so much, but my dad has like a size like 13 foot. When I wear these, I kind of look like a clown. So yeah, now I wear them everywhere and they're very cute, so. So I think that concludes my haul. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give this a big thumbs up and also follow all of my social medias. Instagram is back. Go follow my Instagram. I will be following all you people back as long as you guys comment that you're from my YouTube channel. I would love to have you there. If you guys enjoyed me, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. I make videos hopefully every Monday and I kind of want to produce more than one video a week. I just want to say a huge thank you for 30,000 subscribers. And also, like I say in every video, make sure you guys comment down some video ideas because I would love to make some videos that you guys want to see. Keep on treating Monday like it's a Friday and I will see you guys all in the next one. Bye guys.